Hello students, how are you? I'm gonna just start another class of chapter 5, the legal aspects of business. I'm giving you on the today I'm giving you the creative questions, sample creative questions, which are mostly appeared in the board exam. Um I think you are gonna write down on your copy some after uh, doing your homework. Just if you want to know anything about it, please knock me. I will help you. I will help you more as soon as possible. These are the questions, but there is nothing new. Everything is related to the chapter, and you can find out all the answer in your chapter. So, and there is nothing to worry. So just try to write down it in one copy. It will help you to find out in when the examination will come. It will help you to get the answer, and I will obviously repeat the question in your examination. Here is the first one. Saleha Khatun's husband signed a contract with an organization thinking about the future. Suddenly, her husband died in a road accident. The contracting company pays the nominee Saleha Khatun as per the contract. That means Saleha Khatun's husband made a contract with an organization, and suddenly her husband died, and contracting company pays the nominee Saleha Khatun as per the contract. That means this is which we can get from this information. The stem clearly mentioned that this is a example of insurance. Maybe it is a life insurance or accident insurance, anything. So, what are the question? First one, what is the current copyright law in Bangladesh? Bangladesh, current copyright law is 1911. Uh, Next, what is a commencement certificate? Explain. Commencement certificate. We know that. This is a permission, one kind of permission, or this is a certificate to start up a business in case of public limited company. That means commencement certificate is related to public limited company. After registration, getting the registration certificate, public limited company also get public limited company has to get also the commencement certificate from the register. And Without this commencement certificate, public limited company cannot start the business. So this is all the thing you can write about the commencement certificate. Now see, mm, describe what kind of contracts Saleha Khatun's husband made. Okay. Describe what kind of contracts mm, Saleha Khatun's husband made. Obviously, it is the insurance contract, nothing else. Insurance contract. Then you will have to write down the definition of the insurance. What is insurance? What are the function of insurance? Or rather another information about the insurance. Mm, like what is insurance agreement. Uh, it is mainly the what you can write down about the insurance. Someone will write thoroughly A to Z from the insurance para, or someone will write down the main theme of the topics. So just write it down clearly, and the information must be correct. So that will be enough. And just take care of while you're writing, just take care of the mark. If it is for 3 mark, then you have to think about it for the 3 mark answer. Here the insurance, the probability of loss in a business for any reason is called business risk, and this business risk can be two types: natural risk and man-made risk. And to reduce this sort of risk, the only way we are using is called insurance. That means insurance is a better way to reduce the business risk. So it is one kind of business also. when any business organization, again, then you will define it. When any business organization agrees to make payment of a particular sum of money for loss caused by any predefined incident or for occurrence of the specified incidents against payment of particular premium is called insurance contract. That means this is enough for 3 marks, and you will obviously relate with the um, stem after. It is the part of when you answer 3 marks question or 4 marks questions, there are three parts, or there should be three parts. First one is the main answer, then what is the definition of that answer, explanation of that answer, and then you relate it with the relate the stem with the answer. So this is for 3 mark. Now evaluate the role of an organization that stands by helpless women like Saleha Khatun. What is the role of this type of organization? Or you can say that in a way like, what is the necessity of insurance? Role of an organization or necessity of insurance, these are the same thing. You can find out here where why insurance is necessary. You can write down it in better way, because I know you. So it is you can be able to write down it far more better than your book. So this is your insurance. That means this is the best way to reduce the risk, and after facing the losses, any businessman or any person, while getting the specific amount of money from the insurance company, it will help them to recover from that losses. So and to start up a life again. So this is very much necessary uh, for our business, for the business, or for our life. So you can say that insurance is very much helpful or necessary for our life or business. So this is the answer. Just write down in your own way and make it just correct. So that will be enough. Number two, KFC is a famous food store. At present, KFC food is also available in Bangladesh because KFC has franchise in Bangladesh and Transcom Limited has arranged it. That means Transcom Limited, I already discussed about the franchising business. Franchising business is the agreement between two parties, or it is the one kind of agreement to use the brand name, and also the making the branded product and selling or buying it. So this is the one kind of right from for right of making or selling of branded product. First question here is, in which year was the trademark law introduced in the subcontinent? It is the answer is 1940. Then number B, what is insurance? Explain. You can find out. I already discussed it in the number CQ number 1. Yeah, so you can also write down it. It will be for 2 marks, so just write it down, just small little main definition, and how is the insurance contract, or what is the insurance contract. This is enough. Number C, describe the benefits that Transcom Limited is facing for setting up KFC in Bangladesh. It will be the answer. You can say that it is the advantages of franchising. First of all, you have to say that this is a franchisee business here. See, first of you have to say that this is franchising business, and in the franchising business, there are some advantages, which is in the above the intellectual property, the para. Here I am saying, okay, follow the cursor point. Mm, There are many advantages of doing business through franchising, such as marketing of branded products, training of workers, getting business related advice from the franchisor, and having arrangement of financing facility. Okay, these advantages are facing disadvantages or benefits are facing Transcom Limited for setting up KFC in Bangladesh. So write down these advantages, and this is the appropriate for your answer. Then mention the issues covered by the agreement executed between Transcom Limited and KFC. Mention the issues covered by the agreement executed between Transcom Limited and KFC. That means this is the franchising agreement, and the issues that mentioned in your book. There are several issues here. Yes, this franchising agreement has several issues, common issues. These are the answers for your number 4 question. First one is franchisee has to pay a particular amount of fee initially, and pays a specified amount of monthly fee. Then B, franchisee must agree to invest required amount of investment. Number C, both the parties shall have the objective to earn money from the business. Number D, franchisor starts to earn from the day of receiving fees. As per agreement, the franchisor may keep the right to place selection, infrastructure development, and ownership of these things to him. If the business is not to satisfactory level of the franchisor, he can cancel the agreement, and franchisee can sell only those items which are acceptable to franchisor. That means you can say that all the rights are held up by a franchisor, and franchisor is the king. You can say that franchisor is the king of the franchising business. So this is the answer for number D. Mention the issues covered by agreement executed between Transcom Limited and KFC. Okay, number 2 done. And number 3. Siam authored a book named Land Legal Aid. This is not necessary. It can be XYZ, the book name or person name, uh, and marketed it under copyright and trademark registration. He recently noticed that another publisher had copied his book. In this matter, Mr. Siam took legal action. Okay, specifically, when you are a writer, then you have to collect the copyright, and you can also use trademark, because you can trademark is a mark that can differentiate your product or service. So you can use different type of color, brand name, or logo, or combination of anything, number, sign, anything. So Siam just collected the copyright and also uses the trademark, and he was so much smart that she get registration of this copyright and trademark. And after that, he noticed there is another publisher is copying his book, so he can take legal action. Uh, this is the summary of the stem. First one is, which year of patent and design law is in force in Bangladesh? Patent or design law is 1911. What is patent? Explain what is patent. Patent means patent is an intellectual property, and it is used for yeah, it is give the inventor a sole ownership of his invention, and it is the agreement between the government and the inventor. And if in the patent, in the patent mentioned time limit of uh, mentioned time limit, during the mentioned time limit, nobody can copy the invention, or nobody can duplicate the invention. Okay, patent is one kind of intellectual property, and with the help of patent, you can get the sole ownership of your invention, and it is the agreement between the inventor and the government, and the given period of patent time, you can if anybody duplicate your invention, you can take legal action. So this is the patent. Now, why did Siam register the copyright of his book? This is the necessity of registration. Why? Because if he register it,
That means if any kind of negative activities happen related his book, or like that someone is duplicating his book or publishing his book or by another name, that means in this case he can take a legal action. So this is the necessity, and why and that's why Siam registered the copyright of his book. Do you think Siam will get any benefit by taking legal action? Obviously, since it is registered, the copyright and trademark is registered, so Siam will obviously get the get the benefit by taking legal action. He can sue against the publisher, and also can get the compensation or anything. Any type of help he can get by taking the legal action. So. mm this is done for three. Okay, now number four. Under the initiative of Mizan and Shapon, Rangdhanu Housing Private Limited started the work after completing the registration process. But despite being registered under the Companies Act, another company has not been able to start operations due to various legal complications. That means Mizan and Shapun, just two-person started the Ranguni Housing Private Limited, and in the case of private limited, we know that after getting the registration certificate, it can start the business. A private limited company, in case of private limited company, registration certificate is enough for starting the business, but public limited company, you cannot start the business after getting the registration certificate. You will have to collect the commencement certificate. Okay, now question. What is license? What is license? We know that a license is the permission for starting a business. It is the permission for starting a business. Here, this is enough for getting the 1 mark. To start any kind of business, approval should be, this is the permission or approval should is called the license. Approval should be taken or registered from the respective authority, and this is called license. Why do business entrepreneurs need to have basic knowledge of the legal aspects of business? I think you should write down. You should write it down, because I know you can write. No, you can write it down far more better than me, so just make two or three points you can mention that why it is necessary to get the basic knowledge of legal aspects of business. But still, I'm telling you that why it is necessary, because if you don't know about the rules and regulation and the legal factors of the related to the business, you cannot start the business, or if you start the business, but you cannot continue it for the long time. So this is the main reason for the to know the knowledge of legal aspects of business. Which is the main document of the company and why? Explain. You know that this is the memorandum of association. Uh, uh, you can find out, or you can write down the answer by getting the help from the chapter 4. Here in that chapter, there was, yes, here page number 57. You can find it in page 57, the memorandum of association. Mm, Memorandum of association is the called the main document of limited company. It is also called the main deed, certificate of constitution of the company. Various important issues like name of the company, registered address, objective of business, amount of capital, responsibilities of the shareholders, minimum subscription, etc. are incorporated in it. So that's why it is the main document of the limited company, joint stock company. Write about the about the registration process of private limited company. Write about the, it is also can it is also you can get from the chapter 4. Mm, there was a there was a part. Yes, and this is here. Collection of registration or registration part. And what was the question? Question was that write about the registration process of private limited company. In this para, you can get the exact information about the registration process. At this stage, for registration of the company, application for registration is collected, but paying by a certain amount of fees, the application form is submitted to the registrar of the joint stock company along with other necessary documents. If the registrar is satisfied after receiving the application fee and all the related documents, then he enlists the company in the register book and gives certificate of registration. Private limited company can commence his business after receiving this document, but public limited company has to wait for the business commencement certificate from the register to launch the business. So this is the answer. And just boys, just remember it. These are the sample questions. We cannot say that surely this question will be available in your exam. So just don't recall memorize it. You will just this is the example of some question. So practice it and try to read the chapter thoroughly, so that you can write down any type of question easily and properly. Mm, uh, this is the end of the today. Next in the next class, maybe I'm gonna start the new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.